Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young man named Jack. Jack wasn't the brightest star in the sky, nor was he the most talented in the village. But what he lacked in natural gifts, he made up for with boundless enthusiasm and a heart full of determination. One sunny morning, Jack set out on a journey to find his purpose in life. He wandered through fields and forests, seeking wisdom from anyone who would offer it. Along the way, he met an old farmer who seemed to possess the secrets of success. "Tell me, wise farmer," Jack asked eagerly, "what is the key to achieving greatness?" The farmer chuckled and handed Jack a small bag of seeds. "Plant these seeds, young man, and nurture them with care. In time, you shall reap the fruits of your labor."
Jack thanked the farmer and hurried home, eager to put the farmer's advice to the test. He cleared a patch of land in his backyard and planted the seeds with great enthusiasm. Day after day, he watered them, tended to them, and watched them grow. But weeks went by and nothing sprouted from the soil. Disheartened, Jack returned to the farmer, seeking answers. "I did as you instructed," Jack lamented, "but nothing has grown. What am I doing wrong?" The farmer smiled knowingly. "Ah, young Jack, success does not come overnight. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from failure." With renewed determination, Jack returned home and continued to care for his garden. And then, one day, tiny green shoots emerged from the earth. Jack's heart swelled with joy as he watched his garden flourish before his eyes. As the seasons passed, Jack's garden bloomed into a vibrant oasis of colors and fragrances. People from far and wide marveled at the beauty of his creation and sought his advice on gardening. Jack chuckled, remembering the wise farmer's words. "It's simple, really," he replied. "I planted seeds of determination, watered them with perseverance, and watched them grow with patience. And in the end, I reaped the fruits of my labor." The traveler nodded thoughtfully, realizing the profound truth in Jack's words. With a grateful smile, he continued on his journey, inspired by Jack's story of resilience and hard work. In the end, Jack's garden became more than just a source of beauty. It became a symbol of hope and inspiration for all who beheld it. And as for Jack, he knew that the seeds of success were within reach for anyone willing to sow them with love and dedication. In life, success rarely comes easily or quickly. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from failure. Just like Jack, we must plant the seeds of our dreams with care, nurture them with determination, and watch them grow with patience. And in the end, we shall reap the fruits of our labor. So, let's embrace the journey, knowing that every setback is just a stepping stone to success. Remember, success is not about where you start, but how far you're willing to go. So keep planting those seeds, and one day, you'll find yourself standing in a garden of your own making, a testament to the power of resilience and hard work.